After creating your project, you should be given a screen that looks like this. What this is the drag and drop editor for your XML, which, as I said before, is how you're going to position and place all the different UI elements that your user sees in your apps. So if you go to the text portion over here, you'll see what real XML looks like. Now, in a world where we have drag and drop and graphical editors like this, you're not really going to need to concern yourself with writing blank XML, but it's good to know what it looks like. So this is a text view. This is just what you put on if you want to display some text on the screen. And I'm going to go ahead and show you a few other UI elements that you're going to be using throughout your apps. Let's go ahead and drop in a button. I mean, you guys have probably seen a lot of these before, so you know what they do. Over here, you can go ahead and edit a few of the button's characteristics. You can make the text bold on it. You can change what the text says. Let's just make this little guy say hi. You can change the font, text size, everything. So it's essentially going to be the same as that for basically every other UI element. You guys can go ahead and play with that if you want to, but throughout the rest of this course, I'm going to be introducing new UI elements as we need them. But just go ahead and mess around with that.